Welcome back to Jennifer's Raw Food Kitchen. Today we're going to be making raw vegan veggie burgers. Yay! So please make sure you buy organic ingredients. Fresh is always best. I've gone ahead and chopped up approximately 2 cups of carrots. I'm going to load them into the food processor. And I'm also going to add about 3/4 of a cup of a red bell pepper. Over here, I have a cup of zucchini and approximately 1 tablespoon of red onion. Ooh, getting kind of full here. And I'm also going to add the squeeze of a lemon to give it some flavor. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of hemp seeds to help the burgers bind themselves together. And over here I have sesame seeds. And I'm going to do about a tablespoon of sesame seeds as well. Then I'm going to give it a little shake of paprika. And I have this herb and garden mix that I really like, and I'm going to add that also. Now, if you don't have some of these ingredients, please don't feel like you need to run out to the store. You could always substitute broccoli or, I don't know, cauliflower or corn. Whatever you have at home will make delicious garden veggie burgers. Here we go. All right, once you have it blended up to your liking, you're going to make your veggie patties and you're going to place them on a dehydrator tray. So here we go. You want to make them a little bit thin so that they don't take so long to dehydrate. Okay, there you go. Nice, yummy veggie burger. You can make it a little bit wider because as ingredients dehydrate in the dehydrator, they shrink up a little bit. Raw vegans use dehydrators because we can control the temperature of the food, and we cook ingredients to about 118 degrees because that's the magic number where food retains all of its nutrients and enzymes and gives you power and energy. So anyway, I'm just going to continue on like this. I'll probably get 4 patties on this tray, and then I'm going to slide it into my dehydrator right here. I have the Excalibur, and I'm going to dehydrate it for about 3 hours. And then I'm going to flip them and dehydrate them on the other side for another 3 hours. And then I'm going to be back with some delicious ingredients to put on top. And I hope you try a new recipe soon. Hi, welcome back to the kitchen. We were making garden burgers from this morning, and the burgers have been dehydrated in the dehydrator for about 6 hours, and now they're ready. So we're going to assemble our raw vegan burger, and we're also gonna make some ketchup for our sweet potato fries. So I've taken a cap of a portobello mushroom and gotten rid of some of those gills on the inside, so this can be our bun. So I'm gonna load up the burgers. They're a little bit crumbly, but they'll be delicious. Onto the patty. I'm gonna make this maybe a triple layer burger. That'll be fun. Maybe just 2 layers because it might be hard to bite into. Then we're going to add some tomato slices, as many as you'd like. We'll add a little bit of romaine lettuce and red onions. And of course, we're little bit of guacamole to this delicious treat. Oops. There we go. Sometimes I add mango. The possibilities are endless. Cucumber would be good on here, red pepper slices, and then I'm just gonna go like this. And you have a delicious burger. Okay, so now we are going to put some tomatoes into the Vitamix. I'm just gonna give them a rough chop. And I'm gonna add a handful of sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm gonna add a date to the Vitamix to give it a sweet ketchup-y taste. I'm also gonna add a little bit of paprika. And I'm gonna blend it and see what it tastes like. I'm gonna give it a taste. It's delish. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. I forgot to earlier. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna grab a spoon. And put some of our ketchup onto the plate. I'm gonna add some sweet potato fries. I'm gonna have a little taste of this delicious concoction. And I'm gonna see you later. Have a great day. Go out and try some raw vegan burgers. It's 2018. It's time to eat healthy. Have an amazing day.